Here is my interpretation about innovation in design. While innovation and design seems to be two independent terms, I would say both terms are inescapably bound up together, particularly in modern education, where a learning process is put in the whitewater world of constant change and therefore is interconnected with various extrinsic factors, such as technology development, policies, or other social impacts. Any change of those variables are transforming almost all existing pedagogies. As mentioned in the introduction of the course, the meaning of design can be defined from two perspectives. And the first being learning design, while the other called instructional design. A learning design describes the educational process itself, not just the courseware, but the whole teaching and learning experience. It basically describes learning objectives, who does what, and the tools or resources used, as well as the outcomes accordingly. On the other hand, the instructional design model goes beyond the learning process itself, but there are sets of guidelines or strategies on which specific approaches of teaching to take place. And also, as for the interpretation of the definition of innovation, I would say the word represents something of an umbrella meaning. It embraces any approaches or attempts to bring something different from the one students are used to, whether it be different instruction to a class or an adjustment to existing evaluation standards. Therefore, I will say any attempt to provide an alternative path, no matter if the change is related to the technology fed them or not, can be called innovation. That is my definition. That's my understanding about the innovation and design.